Hello my beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'll be making this super moist homemade bread. Now let's bake. So guys, I'm just gonna add my warm water here. I'm gonna add my milk to it and my yeast just to activate my yeast. Just gonna mix that. Make sure your water isn't too hot because you don't want to kill your yeast. And if your yeast dies, your bread won't rise. So yeah. And you're just gonna set that aside there. Now I'm going to add my flour to the mixing bowl, my sugar, and this is 2 tablespoons of sugar, your salt, and this is half tablespoon, and you're just gonna combine that. You're just gonna add your egg. This is 1 large egg, and this is 1/4 cup of oil. Then you want to add your yeast mixture.
Take it slow. Who cares where we gotta be?
Now guys, this is the consistency in which you want your dough.
Let's take it slow. Where you go.
Now guys, I'm shaping my dough into loaf, and I'm going to place that in a greased 9x5-inch loaf pan, and I'll just allow that to rise for about 30 minutes. Okay now guys, so now that our dough has risen and tripled in size, I'll be baking that at a temperature at 350 degrees for 30 to 35 minutes. Now look how perfect our loaf is. Okay now guys, I'll be brushing that with some butter, and I'm just going to allow that to cool then. Enjoy!
Let's take it slow. Where you go, I go too. And if you hit the bottom, I'm going down with you. Let's take it slow. Who cares where we gotta be? You know you'll have a good...
Okay now guys, our loaf has finished cooling. I mean, it's still warm, but look how soft that is. Like, that's how you want your loaf. You don't want no tough loaf. So guys, come on, the recipe will be listed in the description below. Guys, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, turn on your post notification, because I have amazing videos coming soon guys. Amazing videos. Okay, now like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Mwah.
And there are days I hate you, but baby you're still mine. And I have the best times, no matter what we do. And even when we don't, there's nobody I'd rather choose. Let's take it slow. Where you go, I